Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 4th to the 10th. And first thing we're going to talk about is this booster that the majority of us received, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. If you look at the dates, it's from the 4th to the 10th, so you have the full week to use this booster. To talk about this booster for a quick second, it is of a one-time use. And yes, it stacks with a paper booster if you might be so lucky to have a paper booster. You can use manufacturer register rewards and manufacturer coupons, digitals included, to pay down the balance for this one. But for the full balance, whatever's remaining, you have to use your debit card or bills or like a credit card, that sort of a thing. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash or it will mess things up. If I could ask a huge favor, if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And this is our neighbor's cat coming over to say hi this morning. And just a reminder as well, the semi-annual sale for Bath & Body Works is starting on Saturday, June the 3rd. It runs for a full month. I had made a little video about 2 weeks ago if you wish to check it out. Just some tips and tricks. I will link it at the very end. I know a lot of you are big fans of Bath & Body Works. Please treat this video as a preview. The full flyer for Walgreens will be released on Sunday, June the 4th on the website and on the app, along with all digital coupons will be live probably after 9 a.m. Eastern Time on the Walgreens app. This is a preview. So the first deal that we're going to look at is to spend $20 on SCHICK, Skintimate, those good products, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and grabbing 2 of the men and women's razors that at $6.99 a pop, that's $13.98, and then 2 of the shaving creams or gels at $3.49, that's $6.98, for a grand total of $20.96. We have a $3 digital for the razor and a $1 digital for the shaving cream. So you're going to pay $16.96 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20. Pluscoupons.com has a $3 for the razor and a $1 for the gel, that's an extra $4, making it $7.96 for the 4 or $1.99 per product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, as this is a spend scenario. Spend $20 to get back $5. It's very tricky, but it's right there in the verbiage. The next deal that's back that's absolutely fantastic is the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. Buy 2, get back a $1 register reward. Throwing 2 of those into your basket is $2.48, getting back a $1 register reward. You're paying $1.48 for the 2 dish soaps, or 74 cents per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. So the next 3 deals we're going to look at are the deals of the week, where you're getting back a $5 register reward when you pick up 3 of these items. If you wish to do all 3, you must do them in separate transactions to earn your register reward. The first is with the Pantenes shampoo at $5 a pop. We're going to grab 3 of them for $15. Subtracting the 3 off 3 digital, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $7 for the 3, or $2.33 per shampoo. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Next deal of the week that we're looking at is the $7 Olay body wash. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Over on IBOTTA, as of Friday the 2nd, we have this guy, which is a $3 back when you buy 2 of these. It doesn't exclude the use of coupons. Grabbing 3 of those body washes for $21, subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $16, get back a $5 register reward, and then make your submission to IBOTTA for $3 back, making it $8 for the 3, or $2.66 per body wash, which is a very good price point for Olay. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance to earn that register reward. And for all the parents out there, 2 for $21 for the Pampers. We have a 3 off 2 plus a $2 digital. Putting 3 of these into your basket, that's $31.50. Subtracting $5 in digitals, you're paying $26.50, getting back a $5 register reward. You're doing this without a booster, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. I'm going to have to say this is probably everybody's favorite deal. The 4 for $9 for the Tide Simply, the Downy, the Bounce dryer sheets. grabbing 4 of them for $9. So it shakes it out to $2.24 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, you're just buying this guy on its own, like by all means use Walgreens cash. For example, a lot of us got that cheap razor or trimmer last week. It was an $8 register reward. If you threw that in with $1 of Walgreens cash, I mean, you're laughing all the way to the bank and back. Another deal that a lot of us really enjoy is the buy one, get two for free on the Walgreens brand complete home freezer, sandwich bags, storage bags, etc. So typically it's $2.79 for the first, and then 2 will ring up for free. So it's about 94 cents per. Really good stock up time, especially if you are a home cook. The Lysol laundry sanitizer is $7.49. We have a 50-cent digital coupon that's attaching, so it'll drop that guy down to $6.99. But hang on to your hat for a second, guys. There's a $2 rebate for this product on IBOTTA, and it does not exclude the use of that digital coupon if you read the fine print. Grabbing one of these for $7.49, subtracting that digital, you're paying $6.99. $2 submission to IBOTTA is dropping it down to $4.99. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, so you're not really feeling this one too hard out of pocket. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Twizzlers. They are 2 for $6. We're going to grab 3 bags of these Twizzlers for $9. Walmart has these tear pads, and it's on their summer display of Twizzlers. So if you have no problem grabbing one, I mean, I'm sure most of you won't grab the whole thing, but if Twizzlers is your thing, this is a very good price point. Grabbing 3 of these for $9, subtracting that tear pad coupon, you're paying $7 for 3 or $2.33 per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And the Twizzler man, or whatever company makes the Twizzlers, he was putting up the tear pads in my town. Perhaps he hit all the stores, but I found it specifically at Walmart when I was picking up a couple things for dinner. I didn't grab any, but I just saw them at the store, and I know a lot of you that, if you do food clearance after summer, CVS, Walgreens typically has like the summer flavors of Twizzlers. You might want to grab 1 or 2 tear pad coupons, or just like 1. Don't fight in the comments. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, my friends. The first one goes to this one. It's called Floragen. I know there was a $7 insert coupon in one of the inserts. I'm not sure which one, but it was recent. This is also part of the spend 30 on summer health products, get 10 back. So with the $7 manufacturer found in a recent insert, it could really help you to get this lower out of pocket. Unfortunately, not seeing the digital for this product as of yet. We have everybody's favorite, the Persil for $6.49. $2 digital, dropping this down to $4.49. I remember when this product first hit the market, it was like almost free every other week. Not anymore. We have $3.50 off for the Aleve medication, the 80 count. This is usually like $14 and some change, and then a $5 register reward when you buy 2. I mean, if you find some on clearance, a lot of medication has been on clearance. This potentially could be a deal. The perfect snack for long road trips with the family in the car, we have a $1.88 nice trail mix, and this is the Walgreens brand, so this might be a stock up price for you. And the final honorable mention that we're going to look at is the buy 2 get 1 for free on Pepsi and BOGO free on Raisin Bran. How nice is that? Okay, Raisin Bran, Kellogg cereals, Pop-Tarts included, but I saw Raisin Bran. I was like, ooh, my husband likes that. Okay, that's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.